Alright, welcome once again. So in this video I'll be showing you how I achieved this simple flyer design with Pixellab. So if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So the first thing now is to get the size of the design. Click on from gallery and then select the design. This is it. Change the color to white. Now we've gotten the size. This is the size 1023 by 1280. So the next thing, let's import the design as reference. So this is the design. Then I'll change the size, I'll increase the size to 100, then lock it up. We'll be using this as reference. So this is the picture I used. Once I import any picture, I'll reduce the saturation to -15, and then let's change the size of the image. So this is it. So go ahead and lock it up, then disable it. Now let's get the background I used. This is the background I used for the design. So import the background and increase the size. Then this is our reference here. Let me reduce the size. Okay, now click on the background, come over to color filter, come over to brightness and reduce it. Let's leave it at -50. Then go ahead and lock it. So if you check well on this flyer, you'll see a house. So I blended the house together with the background, and it's very simple. Come over to import, and then let's import the house. So this is the house. Import it, and then come over to 3D rotation and change it like this, change the perspective. Then come over to erase, increase the brush size, increase this as well, then brush it like this, and then keep it here, somewhere here. Okay, let's increase the size. I think something like this, or something similar. So come over to color filter. Let me show you how to blend images with background. Come over to hue and reduce it. Okay, let's leave it at 100, -100. Come over to opacity and reduce it. You can see how everything is sitting properly. So you can still come over to color filter and reduce the brightness just to blend everything. Now make sure you come over to erase and brush it so that you will erase those sharp edges. Now this is it. You can come over to opacity and maybe increase it. Let's leave it at 22. You can see it very neat. Then place it here. Then go ahead and lock it. So the next thing I did here, after I imported this, then the next thing I'll import this logo. I'm not sharing the resources with anyone. I'm just showing you how I achieved the design, and that is it. So place it like this. I think we are getting something similar. So the next thing I did here, come over to text and write I welcome you to. Then change the color to white. Come over to fonts. Let me show you the particular fonts I used for the design. Cinzel. This is it. Black, bold, and regular. So let's use the regular. Then reduce the size, and then come over to spacing and increase it like this. Okay, we can use let's use the regular, which is this. This is bold, regular, and black. So let's use the regular. This is it. Align it to the center and copy it. Then write June. This is what you are trying to achieve. So for the June, you can use the bold, the same font but the bolder version. Then come over to spacing and disable it. Increase the size. You can change it to all caps. Yeah, this is it. So increase the size and align it to the center like this. Then come over to spacing and reduce it. Yeah, something like this. Align it, and let's pick the color. I chose this color from the background. Like I chose this is the particular color, but let's get the exact color from this flyer. Click the flyer and then choose this color like this. This is the color. Then I think we are getting something similar. Come over to padding and increase it 9. Then centralize it. Okay, this is what we've achieved so far. Now let's enable this picture we imported earlier. Oh, it's covering the head. So let's take this up a little bit. Take it up. Lock the picture. Take this up as well. and take this up as well. So we can bring down the picture. You can bring down the picture like this. Then that is it. That is it. That is it. So the next thing I did, let me align this properly. So that is it. Then the next thing I did here, come over to shape, and let's pick the same color on the flyer. Let's pick this particular color and then space it like this. We've not gotten the exact. Space it like this, then lock it up. Then for the picture, I think we have to reduce the size of this picture. It's too big. Yeah. So something like this is not bad. Something like this is not bad. Then lock it, and then okay, let's import this star. Click on import. Then this is the star I used. Then I'll enable the color and change it to yellow. Then I'll place it somewhere here. This is just to beautify the design. Copy it, place it somewhere here. So you just have to be creative to get what you want. You just have to be creative. That's just it. Reduce the size and then place it here. Just be creative. That is the main thing. So we are getting there. We are getting there. So the next thing I did, let's import a text. You write happy new month, blah blah blah, and blah blah blah. So change the color to white, but at this point I changed the fonts to something else. I didn't use the same fonts. I used Nexa because Nexa is a corporate font. So I just type Nexa and then choose this particular one. Just place it like this, and I'm just rushing it because of the tutorial. So the next thing I did, copy it, add the number, add the phone number. So this is the number. Then change the color to the color of the background, which is this color, this green, darker green. So this is it. You can increase the size. I'm rushing it because this video is taking longer time. So copy it, then you write contact us today. Then come over to background, enable it, change it to green. Right, left padding, you can change it to, let's say 10. Right padding, same thing, 10. Top padding 10 as well, and then bottom padding 10. Then radius, you can change it to, you can increase it to 23. Then change the color of the text to white. So carefully align it, properly align it. So the next thing I did, I'm rushing it because of this. The next thing I did, bring in a shape, very simple. Change the size of the shape, place it here, and then I brought in this stuff that looks like Bob. So this is it. Place it here, and then write the name. I will not write the name, just write the name, and that is it. I think that is it. So this is it. You can take your time and get a very good result. So try this out and let me know if it works for you. I'll see you on the next one.